Hey everyone, welcome to our video tutorial on how to display the discount percentage on the sale badge in WooCommerce. We're here to help you make the most out of your online store, so let's get started. The WooCommerce sale tag is a great feature that visually indicates discounted or on sale products. For example, I'm on the shop page now, and let's say this is the product that has a regular and a sale price from WooCommerce, and hence you'll be able to see a sale tag by default on them. However, did you know that you can also display the percentage discount on the sale badge itself? Yes, with the discount rules plugin, it's easy to do just that. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So let's just go to our WordPress dashboard. I've already installed the discount rules plugin. Right now, you can see that I have a 20% off on all products on my store running. But let's see how to display that inside the sale badge. That is the percentage sale badge. To do this, we will have to first make sure we have enabled the sale badge from our plugin. So let's just go to the settings tab and see if we have done that. To do this, let's just scroll down to the product settings, and here you'll be able to find on sale badge. You can choose to either show after a rule condition is matched or show on products that are covered under any discount rule in the plugin. I go for the second option because that's explicitly shown to customers that a discount is available. So let's just use that option. And then you have the option to customize your sale badge, which is pretty important. The first one is to customize the sale badge according to your needs. And for that, you have a HTML code here. And then force override the label for sale badge. So this is useful when your theme has override for sale badge. So click if appropriate. And then you have the option, which is important for this particular feature that we're looking for in this video, which is to enable the percentage discount on sale badge. To display the percentage discount on sale badge, you will have to simply click on this I would like to display percentage in sale badge box. All right. So let's just click on this checkbox and you'll be able to see an immediate expansion of this where you see the sale badge percentage content. And here is the HTML code which retrieves the percentage value and displays it inside your sale badge. Now, if you want to customize this, you can just use your HTML code and configure it. And then after you do that, you can just go click on save changes. Now, if I take you to the store and refresh this, you'll be able to see that a 20% is displayed inside the sale badge. Now, this will also be applicable to all the other products because we have set 20% to all the other products as well. Great, isn't it? One thing to remember is that the percentage sale badge will only appear on products that are covered by a price-based discount rule, like product adjustment, bulk discount, bundle discount, or BOGO rules. If the rule condition is not met, the default sale badge will be displayed. All right. And just like that, your products will now show a dynamic percentage sale badge. Your customers will surely love this added touch to their shopping experience. So why wait? Get the discount rules plugin today and elevate your customer shopping experience, making it irresistible for them. Thank you for choosing our tutorial and happy selling. See you next time.